In this video, I'm going to show you how to refer your friends on DoorDash and get a referral bonus. So the way it works is you first need to open up the app like you normally would. Then you need to go to the top menu and select on the profile icon just like so. Then please go ahead and select on settings. Then please go ahead and scroll down until you see this section that says refer friends, get $1. So go ahead and select on that. Then from here, what you're able to do is you're able to get $1 in credits when someone signs up using your referral link and places their first order over $20. Your friend will also get $5 off, and they will get $5 off each of their first 1 orders. So that's honestly pretty cool. So from here, you're able to go ahead and share your link over here. So you could share it, you can give it to your friends, you can text it over on Instagram, Discord, messages, etc. You guys also have this button that says check referral status as well, which is definitely pretty cool. And we have this FAQ section on the top right, and it's basically going to give you more information, let you know the criteria and stuff like that. So that there is definitely something that I recommend that you guys take a look at, especially if you want to get a big payout. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.